Hello, welcome back. Still working on my 1969 Plymouth Fury, trying to get this engine ready to put back in and back on the road. My goal is to get this car back on the road by November. It went down last November, so I think 1 year is too long. Really, it's actually too long. But that's the goal. Let's take it back to Turkey Trot. Let's see if it can actually complete the entire loop on its own. So today is painting day. Very, very exciting. Thanks to a recent hurricane. It's actually brought the temperature down just enough, so we're going to go ahead and do that. This morning I'm going to go ahead and prep the engine for paint. Just going to give everything a quick wipe down, clean a couple little things off that I don't want to get painted. We're going to tape some stuff up, and also I have a bunch of accessories and doodads to paint as well. So let's get to it. It's only going to get hotter. All right, it's finally time to paint. We're gonna go with, what is this, Duplicolor Engine Enamel Primer. As the primer, we're gonna do all of the items in that. We're gonna use some semi-gloss black for the accessories and stuff in the background. And we're gonna go with Chrysler Blue for the engine. Very exciting. So I'm gonna get suited up. According to the instructions, I got an hour to complete just about all of it, so let's get to it. Well, that's annoying. I had every intention of filming that, and when I came to turn off this camera, I realized I never started it. So sorry about that, but we've done the first coat, the light coat of primer. Just take you around real quick and let you check that out. And then we'll move on to second coat of primer. Right. All in all, very impressed with the paint so far. Rolls out pretty smooth, and that whole can did all of this, no problem. All right, next. Done. painted. All right, we did it. It's actually painted. We can finally move on. I'm really excited to be able to start putting this back together and actually get it in the car. I honestly just cannot wait to get this back in the car and start driving it. So that being said, I think this is going to be, we're going to call it here for this episode. I already have a list for the next episode. These are the few things I got to do. Put back together, like the harmonic balancer. Actually put the valve covers back together. I got to find some ground straps. Motor mounts, that's important. We're going to need those to get them in the car. So in the next episode, I'm going to go out on a limb here and say, we're going to get this in the car. That's the goal anyway. But that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. Really appreciate your time, and we'll see you next time.